Meet OTTAVA, the world's first table-integrated soft tissue robotic surgery system. Designed to operate the way surgical teams actually work. With the smallest footprint of any multi-quadrant robotic system, OTTAVA opens and optimizes the OR to more space, more flexibility, and more possibilities. Set up with automation, streamlines workflow, and accelerates turnover. With the arms, table, and team working as one, you don't adapt to OTTAVA. OTTAVA is designed to adapt to you. Built on generations of clinical experience, OTTAVA introduces next-generation instruments to elevate performance. OTTAVA connects to Polyphonic, an open digital ecosystem that connects data from anywhere to expand insights that matter most. This isn't just an improvement in robotic surgery. It's a new foundation for innovation and where surgery goes next. OTTAVA from Johnson & Johnson.